Corbin Russwin continues its leadership with the CL3100 lever lock. With its unique patented construction, the CL3100 series is safe and secure, reliable and durable, supplements sustainability and a healthy environment, all with a low cost of ownership. So how does this design deliver such impressive results? In the CL3100 series, the latch interlocks the chassis, forming a torque-resistant T. Because of this design, the chassis cannot twist or rotate in the door, and excessive force on the lock through the levers won't damage or disable the lock, providing a safe and secure environment. This chassis ensures the CL3100 provides superior performance in demanding environments, like schools and hospitals. But don't just take our word for it, look at these extraordinary test results. In terms of strength and durability, the CL3100 series far exceeds ANSI BHMA Grade 1 requirements for cycle testing, torque, and impact. Torque testing on the unit exceeds 3,000 inch-pounds. What does 3,000 inch-pounds mean? If a 4-inch lever was installed on your door, the lever would withstand 750 pounds of pressure on the end of the lever before it would break, or the equivalent of 3 250-pound football players. Standard impact testing on the cylinder face, as well as vertical blows, show strength 25% greater than the industry standard, withstanding 150 foot-pounds versus the ANSI BHMA required minimum of 120 foot-pounds. Cycle testing on the T-zone construction has exceeded 15 million cycles. What does this mean to you? Picture 500 employees passing through an opening 2 times per day, 260 workdays per year. That means the CL3100 series lever lock delivers more than 57 years of openings with no lever sag. The CL3100 series provides the lower cost of ownership because it is available in 18 functions, including classroom security, retrofits any standard 161 door prep, and can integrate into most facilities' key systems. The lock utilizes a common chassis, and with the appropriate combination of latch, bolt, and sleeve, all functions can be configured. This reduces the burden of inventory management and reduces field maintenance. And when combined with other board locks from Corbin Russwin, the entire facility can be secured using the same key system and with the right level of security for each opening. The end result? A lock body that's reliable and durable to last as long as the life of your building, lowering the total cost of ownership of the opening, and withstands high abuse environments. Flexible, strong, and durable. This lock can take whatever you give it.